Today's episode, we're gonna be making some cookies, okay? So let's get right into it, alright guys? Alright, so got the cookie dough mix, okay? Got chocolate chip morsels in one hand and the cookie dough mix in the other. Okay, got some butter, stick of butter, and egg. And those are all the ingredients, okay, for the chocolate chip cookies. The vanilla extract is extra. Remember, you do not need vanilla extract. But if you're a professional chef and you want your cookies to taste excellent, use the vanilla. Pow! Alright? Okay, guys. So I'm going to follow the ingredients with you. Okay. Alright. So I got the oven preheated to 375. It says, okay, put the cookie dough mix in the bowl, okay? Mix with softened butter and egg in medium bowl until soft dough forms. Drop dough by rounded teaspoon. Okay, so I need a half cup of butter. I need one stick or a half cup of butter. One stick or a half cup of butter. And one egg. Okay, so we're gonna use. So I'm gonna put the baking powder. I'm gonna put the cookie dough powder in. Okay. All right, guys. Put the cookie dough powder in. And this already has chocolate chips in it, but I'm gonna actually, I don't even know why I bought the chocolate chips. It already has chocolate chips in there. Well, would you look at that? I'm gonna add some extra chocolate chips because I want to get it extra chocolatey. Okay, guys. So add some extra chocolate chips. All right, to the mix. All right, just some extra chocolate chips just to get it more chocolatey. All right. Then we'll crack the egg and put the egg in there. Get it. I'm gonna put the whole stick of butter in. Okay. Alright, guys. So, but when I put the butter in, I'm gonna cut the butter up in slices. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna slice it up. Okay, slice up the butter. Alright, next, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, guys? Tablespoon of vanilla extract. Alright? Because we want to have the most flavor possible. I put 1.5 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Okay. All right, it smells good. I don't know, but it smells good. Huh. All right. So next, I'm gonna mix it. Okay. Before we do that, take some butter. I'm gonna rub it on the pan so the cookies don't stick. Okay. Rub it on the pan so the cookies don't stick. It's a good idea. Okay, you want to do that so the cookies don't stick. Okay. Alright. Next, gonna mix this up. Gonna mix everything up. Gonna make some cookies. I'm mashing up the butter, the egg. See the butter? and the egg and the cookie dough. Okay. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna use my hands. Okay. And I'm gonna use my hands for this because it'll be a lot easier. Okay. Just want to beat up the dough a little bit. Next, I'm gonna use my hands. Okay. So we're back. Cookies. If they're large, 13 minutes in the oven. If they're small, about 10. Okay, 10 minutes. I pulled them out, put them on a plate, and this is what they look like. Delicious, crispy and delicious. Okay. So what you gotta remember when making cookies is when you pull it out the oven, they're gonna be a little soft. You have to let it harden. Let it sit and stand for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. And then you'll get a nice crisp cookie with that soft on the inside, okay? And that's our show, guys. So enjoy, all right? Bon appetit and au revoir.